Hello, my planty friends. Glad that you can join me again. She wants to come out on the on the video. Hi, my name is Nina. If you're new to this channel, and if you're not new to this channel, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate every single one of you. Today, we're going to go ahead and repot the plants that I got at JARDIN Ambulatorio, which is ambulatory garden that goes from municipality here to each municipality, and they go around and on a yearly basis. So yeah, it's around this time, and I finally went and enjoyed myself. I know some of you did too, because you called me and you got a couple plants there. The cacti, I put them outside in my cactus garden, and I just left them alone. I left them alone and let them get adjusted, let them get some sun on them. So glad you can join me. And if you want to go ahead and get something to drink, relax, let's just go get started with the repotting. Okay, let me show you the Hoya that we're going to be repotting today. They are dirty. It looked like they put some spray, maybe some sulfur on them. I'm not really sure. I don't see any pests on them, but they will be pest treated before I put them in with my rest. Okay, this one in particular, this is the EPC 202. These are the tags that came along with them. So it has a vine. They're big leaves. Okay, the next one is the Sier Peach Pink. I'm not sure if they just didn't decide which one was it, whether it was peach or pink, or just they're variegated, you think? Come up peach and pink? I'm not sure. Okay, so that's that one. And these are all in soil, peat moss, and I do not like it. So we're gonna be taking them out. Okay, and this one is the Pachiclada White. It has a new leaf right there. Okay, and the last one that we're going to be repotting is this one right here, which is a AP33. I believe it's an HP or an MP 1054. Okay, so all these I do not have. They were at $8 each, and I said I'm going to take advantage of these. I do not have these, so there goes my collection, my Hoya collection. Okay, and I did also order some pots, semi-hydro pots. These are 4-inch, and I got these from Amazon. Yeah, got these from Amazon, and I also got the larger ones, which are, I believe these are like 5 or 6 semi-hydro pots, square pots. Now they're coming out with really pretty ones, but for some reason I'm already used to these, and so it won't be out of, I want them all uniform looking as much as possible, even though I do use a lot of very pretty pots that I really like. So we're gonna put some of these in here, and let's get started. Let me get my mat for indoors. I decided to repot inside. So we've got this one. And now what I'm gonna be doing, it's gonna be like an assembly line. I'm gonna be taking out the soil on each one of these, water them down, and I will be back with you so we can start repotting in pond. I did want to mention that I came back to very hot weather here in Puerto Rico. The index was 120 degrees with humidity. So you could imagine, I said, no, this is too much. I'm going to repot inside the house. So that's what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be cleaning out these roots, taking out all the substrate that they have, and clean them out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the pest treatment at the same time, and just spray them down with neem oil, Castile soap diluted, and wipe them down, you know, just rub them down, clean the leaves, and I will get right back with you. Okay, I had a mishap. My pachaclada, one of the leaves broke off. Oh, I'm so sad. Oh. But, okay, at least they're all cleaned out. So we're just gonna go ahead and get these started. Most of them are gonna be in the bigger pots because they are big leaves. The only one that I'm not gonna do is, let me see which one, this one is AP33. This one's a small leaf, so I'm gonna put it in the smaller pot. But all the other ones are gonna get the bigger pots. Well, let's get that one started off then. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the pond in here. I have Lechuza pond, and I also have my DIY pond that I bought in Amazon with the zeolite, the pumice, and the black lava rock. Now, when I was washing the roots out of this one, I noticed that they did have some dry rot on the bottom. So I'm cutting off the little strings. That's why I always like to check the roots, make sure that they are good, or if they're bad, then just cut it off. Remember the Hoya in itself, they're very easy to root. They're not that difficult to root. So I'm just cutting off all the stringy roots that don't look healthy, and just getting all those out of there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring you down so you can see it better. Let's see if you can see it better. Okay, you can see it better. So I'm gonna put this one in, and I'm gonna put it like that, like so, and then just backfill with pond. Okay, what I did is I finished backfilling. I'm gonna probably put a little stake here. I ran out of trellises, so I'm gonna put a transparent stake to hold it up. I put the name tag, where I bought it, the date, and how much it costs. I haven't had an idea. Yeah, I like to track all those things. So we're gonna go into the second one. Second one is this big mama. EPC 202. Okay, here are the roots. Not many, but they look pretty healthy. I cleaned it out as much as possible, try to take the stains off, but it's not as easy as one thinks, and you can just take it off. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. Okay, I just backfilled it and put their label, and it's ready to go. I am going to be putting some water with Super Thrive and a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. They said it's very good, so it won't create algae, which is not bad. I don't mind. Okay, so we've got that one with a long tendril, and I'm going to have to cut down to the smaller pots. Why? Because I ran out of pond. I don't think I have enough pond. Actually, I am waiting for the ingredients to come in, but I don't know how long that's going to take. So I'm going to go ahead and just use these smaller pots. These two. Be better. I don't want to take it out, but I have no choice. For right now, I want to get these potted up. That's being impatient, don't you think? Okay, so I got this one. And I got this one. Okay, ready. Let's get these two potted up then. Okay, the next one. We're gonna go ahead with this one. This one is the Sier Peach Pink. Let's get that label. I don't like that label. I'm picky with my labels. I wish I had them transparent, but no, then I wouldn't be able to see it very well. Okay, Hoya. Sier Peach Pink. It's starting to rain outside. I think so. Where did I get it? JARDIN Caribe. This was on the 15th of September. What happened, Gucci? And okay, code. Okay, so we've got that there. I'm gonna get this one out and put it here. Should I put it here? I guess so. I don't like being too overly. They like being crowded anyways. Yeah, hey Gucci, yeah. Okay, so I'm back filling. Anyway, they like being crowded, so their root system, they don't like too much of a big space. So this is good. Okay, I think we've got enough for the next one. And this one being the Hoya Sier Peach Pink. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. We're gonna leave this one here for now until I can get that taken care of. And now we're gonna go with the last one, which is, didn't have much of a root system, but it's okay. Get this one out. This one is the Pachiclata White. Okay, so we've got that there. Let's get this written up.
It's starting to rain outside, so I don't know if you can hear it. Pachiclata White.
It has been raining here non-stop, so I'm told, and very hot and humid. Not even 09, 15, 24. Okay, so I've got the label done. Now we're just gonna go ahead with centralizing this Hoya so it will look its best. And centralize it here so I know the indicator is on this side in the front so I can see it. So I think I like it that way. We're gonna go ahead and backfill. Okay, I already have the water with actually standing water. I don't like it right out of the tap because of the chlorine level. So this has been out for at least a couple hours. And now I'm gonna be putting in a drop of Super Thrive, I like that, and a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be watering with. Not much, just a little bit. And a little bit of Super Thrive. That's all it takes. Just a little. Now we're gonna go ahead and put water in here. Okay, I already put some water. Here's the indicator, telling you how much water there is. So we're good to go for this one. Now let's go into the next one. Let me put in, I could put the water in through here, but I don't really need to. Let's just put the indicator in front so I can see it. Get these out of here. Okay, let's put some water. Okay, doing good. Here's the indicator telling you there's water in there and the level. Let's go with the next one. Okay. Sloppy, Nina, sloppy. Okay, I put the water in. It went in just a little higher than the maximum, but that's fine. Just as long as I don't like it hitting the top of the indicator. So we have water for all of these with their nutrients for now. And I'm gonna show you now the cacti that I did buy and their names, and they're really beautiful. So yeah, I'm sure you're gonna like them. And yeah, I think we're done. I'm gonna be putting these plants in my Hoya cabinet and let them just chill out and get some humidity. So yeah, I hope you like it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I did it with much love for every single one of you. You know how I love sharing what I have learned and how I can make my plants better. So if they have helped you in any way, then that's fantastic. Yeah, and I just want to remind you that if you like the video, thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. Activate the bell so you can receive notifications when I upload another video. And just to remind you also that I have a Spanish speaking channel, and it is Nina Suculentas y Más. That was my first channel that I started up a couple of years ago. And then I started this one for my English speaking friends, Planty family. Yeah, so from Puerto Rico, I'm sending you my blessings to you, your family, your pets, and your plants. May you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you for the next video. Bye.